Hi there, and welcome to the Watch Her Thrive Financial Empowerment video series. Today we are journeying to the world of budgeting through an analogy that I think many of you will be able to relate to, and that is packing a backpack for a hike. Now, whether you are a hiker or not, I think this is kind of a relatable analogy. So I want you to imagine that you are preparing for a month-long hike, and you need several things. Those things that you need, we're going to think about in terms of our fixed expenses. For example, you're going to need your food, you're going to need water, you're going to need your first aid kit in your backpack. The more things that you need, the more of those fixed expenses that you have in that backpack, the less room there is for other things, right? So the less room there is for flexibility. Let's say you're going on a beautiful scenic route and you want to make sure that you have a camera, or maybe you're worried about the weather and you want to make sure you have an extra layer of clothing in case it gets cold outside. But if you're already filled with all of these things that you need, you may not have space for the extras, right? So that's how I want you to kind of start to think about your budget, right? The golden rule here is to keep your backpack as light as possible with only the essentials. So that way you have flexibility and you're not carrying this overloaded backpack that makes the journey just so much harder, and it just doesn't leave any room for those unexpected moments. Try to really think about this in terms of your financials, right? Financial flexibility can offer you strength to navigate those unexpected trails that allow you to take advantage of new beginnings, new opportunities that present themselves because you're not weighed down. So take a minute to think about your financial backpack. What are the negotiables? A strategic pack ensure a smoother journey, but allows the adaptability to face any surprises that may be coming up. And as you plan that backpack for the month, keep the essentials in check. By streamlining that load, you not only make your backpack lighter, but you allow for an easier journey. You can travel farther, right? So stay with us through this empowering track through our series. Remember that every financial decision that you make has an impact on your journey. Walk with us and let's conquer these financial mountains together.